Hello, my this is next level. So here one person told that like this software companies base basically this thing. So each thing basically is connected with the land basically. Each and everything basically is connected with the land. Each and everything basically is connected with the land only basically. So one person to the yes basically. Everything is connected with the land. Example is 5 lakh building which is of Mumbai, which has generated going to generate basically 15 lakh liter oil. They are going to generate 15 lakh liter oil basically. And that is basically set of diagram basically. And that is the best example of artificial intelligence. So here one person told that basically. That means whatever data basically which is getting processed in the software industry basically, that is doing that only basically. So 1% of the yes, yeah basically. For example, metadata AI tool basically, is doing what basically. So 1% yes basically they are having some data basically. That is basically the map of some certain land basically. For example, Microsoft got this many land map diagram basically inside their software. So that only basically they are manipulating basically. That only basically they are circulating basically in their software energy. For example, Microsoft Energy. In that basically they are circulating that data only basically, which is connected with that land area. So whenever basically the human needs are going to create, Microsoft AI tool is going to use. So that basically contain in that 5 lakh building basically. So 1% of the yes here basically. So like this basically the creation is so that basically we have already discussed basically. But here few things basically was not there. So here one person asked the question basically like this way basically the entire human body basically diagram is mapped with human needs and land diagram. So next